Innovation and design is the courage as well as brilliance to alter an original piece of work and transform it into something different. Consumption and use of packaging arose when the need was realized some 1,000 years ago. Crude packaging materials like leaves, shells, animal skin and wood were used to meet need of those times until the entire process evolved. Through the evolutionary process, today, paper and paperboard industry plays an important role in providing packaging solutions to meet the ever-growing need of masses. At the time when modern printing and packaging technology had just arrived in Pakistan, Lakson Group of Companies realized the growing need of quality paper and paperboard in the country and incorporated Century Paper and Board Mills Ltd in 1984 near Lahore, the business hub of the country.
Packaging is first contact with the end user, and it has to give a feel of aesthetic, and it has to preserve the product, and it should have a strength so that it reaches the customer in a good shape.
The company has sales and marketing offices in Karachi as well as in Lahore to extend convenience of access to the customers. Lakson Group enjoys repute for the vast array of businesses it spearheads in Pakistan. Century's plant covers an area of 162 acres of land, on which all 7 papers and paperboard machines, pulp producing lines, power generation plants, and a complete corrugated cartons making unit are installed, and space for raw material storage and further expansion plans is provided. The company enjoys a prominent position in the domestic industry, a market leader for quality packaging boards for folding cartons of numerous consumer and industrial product industries, including cigarettes, pharmaceuticals, food, FMCGs, home and electric appliances, and many more. Century has 7 production lines for a variety of paper and paperboard products to meet the demand of various market segments. Apart from the 7 production lines, Century has a complete corrugated cartons making plant, geared to produce quality corrugated cartons for various industries with complete printing and finishing facilities. Century's installed capacity at inception, back in 1990, stood at 30,000 tons per annum, whereas current installed capacity is 240,000 tons per annum since 2008.
We have reached to a capacity of 240,000 tons in 2 decades, thereby becoming the market leader in Pakistan for providing international standard packaging.
A much-needed latest addition to its production line is the PM7. This is a multi-layer board machine with a multi-layer online coating facility and the capacity to produce 130,000 metric tons of superior quality coated duplex board per year, and high-speed cutting machines to meet the folding cartons demand of various industries. Century manufacturing plant is fully equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, automated controls to exceed market expectations, and is designed to process various types of fibers. Coated packaging board's process of manufacturing is multifaceted. Our main raw materials include wood pulps of various wood species, imported from around the globe, agricultural residuals for making indigenous pulp, recyclable fiber material, various specialized additives and binders for paperboard making. They are processed and blended with automated processes as per design of the product on fully computerized processing unit. At our main coated packaging board machine, PM7, imported wood pulp undergoes a complete refining process on designated refining lines, while recycled fiber is processed through a comprehensive screening, cleaning, de-inking process before making the fiber ready for use for paperboard making. The fibers fed to machine for multi-layer baseboard undergoes 3 main processes. The formation process through high-tech equipment, for onward multi-stage drying process to finally form sheet on the web for online coating process to give a fine and smooth printable surface. In online coating process, the web passes through a multi-layer coating of fine coating materials with various additives and binders through online drying by infrared heaters to finally roll the final product on machine spool. The next stage, master spool, is subdivided into smaller reels on a very high-speed rewinder for shifting to finishing process in customized sheet sizes as per customers' orders at world most precise sheeting machines. The finished product is then packed on pallets or packets according to customers' orders for delivery. Elaborated QA functions are in place at every stage of the process, right from the feeding of raw materials till the delivery of final product ready for dispatch to customers' destinations to ensure delivery of up to the mark product to the valued customers. Century realizes the importance of R&D and QAS, and that is why it has been investing substantial amount on them to meet various product demand from customers through a consistent philosophy of upholding the high quality. QAS laboratory is equipped with world best testing equipment where related tests are conducted to ensure best possible products to its customers. Our products from the PM7 are used by leading offset printing houses on high-tech, high-speed multicolor offset printing. Investing in environmental projects with environment-friendly policies, we are driving towards zero waste generation at the source by reusing and recycling materials and constantly working for conservation of natural resources and energy with improved processes and products. To ensure that business operations are as efficient as possible, the company has attained all essential certifications such as QMS 9001-2008, EMS 14001-2004 and OSAS 18001-2007 to produce products in conformance with all internationally recognized standards of environment-friendly processing.
In spite of all the odds the domestic industry is facing in Pakistan, Century is substituting import and providing quality packaging board to their customer to their satisfaction and delight.
Our safety, health and environment policies are geared towards unbiased employee betterment. Besides work-related dimension, we focus on employees' positive physical and mental prosperity by organizing consistent social and recreational events such as sports, events, family picnics, social rendezvous, etc. With a firm belief in community development, our community-related services, especially in health and education, add to economic development. Paper and paperboard manufacturing, being a continuous process, needs uninterrupted power supply to produce quality products. Keeping in view its importance, the needs to meet demand and produce premium quality products and services under challenging circumstances have always been addressed at Century. With extreme power shortage, it has been a challenge to ensure consistent power supply, as it is crucial for paperboard processing. Anticipating power crisis, we have invested in power generation to keep operations smooth throughout and serve customer with regular supplies. Century has a blend of power generation with various fuels, which include natural gas, furnace oil, high-speed diesel, coal and biomass. Currently, the company is capable of generating electric power of approximately 50 megawatts, which also includes our eminent addition of 18 megawatt coal-based cogeneration power plant with RUNH Power Corporation China. Company rates the well-being of its human capital as its prime responsibility and strongly believes in developing capacity and capabilities of its human capital. Currently, the team of over 1,500 direct employees and approximately 1,000 indirect and contractual employees are engaged in running the business. Century's product line is divided into various categories with a basket of brands under each category. Our leading coated board brands are Polo, Captain, Soldier, and in high-end folding box board, Elegant, Century, and Bright Leaf are major brands. We also produce uncoated multi-layered board, in which our well-established brands are Ascot, Simplicity, President Bond, Guard and Sterling. The company manufactures first-rate machine-finished writing and printing papers and machine-glazed papers. Pearl, Royals, Scholar, Impressions, High Bright, Graduate, Dove, Ibis and Atlas are our eminent brands of these categories. Our products are sold to prominent multinationals and prominent national FMCGs operating in the country. We at Century recognize that change is essential if we want our universe, our consumers and our businesses to thrive. We play a challenging and vital role as we provide solutions to meet growing consumers' needs, because we realize that triumph cannot be experienced without achieving excellence.